To add Solana to an Axiom account, you'll first need to create an Axiom Pro account. Once you have your account, you can deposit Solana into it. To do this, click the Deposit button at the top right of the page. Then select Solana and obtain your deposit address. Copy this address. Then go to another wallet where you hold Solana. This could be a wallet like MetaMask, Phantom, or Trust Wallet, or an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Use the copied address to send the desired amount of Solana from your other wallet to your Axiom account. This transfer should only take a few seconds. If you don't have Solana in another wallet, you can also buy it directly through Axiom's partnership with Coinbase. Simply click the Buy button. Sign in to your Coinbase account, confirm your information, and complete the purchase. Your Solana will then be added to your Axiom account.